Well, g'day curd nerds. Today we're doing a taste test for Cheshire. Well, Cheshire cheese is here and it's ready to eat. Well, I marked it ready to eat on the 15th of July, 2018. So I'm looking at the bag at the moment and there's a little bit of moisture maybe, I think, around the edges, but that's quite normal when you backpack. So let me just get the cutting board out of the way. Use my trusty scissors. So Cheshire is one of the oldest cheeses ever made in the UK. I think it was the recipe was brought over from when the Romans occupied what was then Britannia. Right, there we go. It smells okay. That's a good start when the plastic smells good. It doesn't need to be patted down. It's a little bit, it's a very hard cheese, so I don't know if the cutter will cut it. Let's have a look. I'll just get that out the way. We will try. So, right. It's a very tight. Let's get that straight. Hold the cheese. Oops, it's working, so that's a good start. Boop. And what have we got? We've got a very close-knit paste, which is perfect. No mechanical holes at all. So I must have pressed this cheese very well. So let's put that half there. Let's cut the other half. There we go. Nice cut again. And cut it again for eating. Why not? I just love using this cutter. Thank you so much, David, for making it for me. Let me just line that up. There we go. Better than using a knife, except it flicks a little bit of cheese at you at the end. It went somewhere, I don't know where it's gone. Rightio. There we go, a nice big stack of curds, cheese. Let's cut a bit the traditional way. Very firm. Oh, don't take my finger off. Very good. So it's not crumbly. Let's have a taste. Delightful smell. Smells like, well, kind of like cheddar, if truth be known. It breaks. It's not crumbly. That's delightful. That is I would say a drier form of cheddar. Really nice cheese. I've tasted Cheshire before. I actually visited the town of Cheshire. I went to a cheese factory there when I was in the UK in 1983? No, 1987. I can't remember. I know one of them anyway. And we visited a factory that made Cheshire cheese, and they said it was the oldest cheese, you know, in the UK that had ever been made. Not the cheese is old, but the traditional process is old. Yeah, and this flavour is actually taking me back. So I think it's very much the same. Very Moorish, in the sense that I want to eat more. Very, very nice cheese. No, I'd highly recommend anybody who wants to make a cheese that is not as crumbly as cheddar, but certainly same sort of flavour as a cheddar, then Cheshire could certainly be one of the cheeses you'd want to try. I certainly know that I would give that one another go, no problems at all. And the white paste is not off-putting. It's just a lovely all-round, nice flavoured cheese that I would definitely have on my cheese platter any time of year. And I'm going to vac pack some of this and put it away for storage for later on. And I might even age some of it up to a year and see what that tastes like. But anyway, that was Cheshire. That was the taste test. It tastes creamy. It's not very acidic. It's not crumbly. Kind of coats the tongue. And there's a lovely, delicate aftertaste. So not quite like your vintage cheddar. And I don't expect it to be because the cheese was made totally different than what a cheddar style is, but it is in that family of cheeses. Anyway, thanks for watching as always. Don't forget that you can buy the kit to make Cheshire, somewhere over here, from littlegreenworkshops.com.au. And don't forget that there are lots of patrons who support the show financially, and they pay as little as $1 every month. Well, thanks for watching, Curd Nerds, and I'll see you next time.